Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we have a ScrawlrBox. It's the box number 97. I received this box a few days ago, so let's take a look. Let's go. As usual, we have the zine, an art print from the featured artist. Her name is Brianna Smith, a freelance artist from California with influences and inspirations from Japanese culture, and she primarily uses markers in her traditional work. Here we have a Bristol board A5 size. I'm curious to know the supplies we'll find here. Okay, my favorite part. Let's go. We have a sticker with the artist's illustration. And here we have acrylic markers from the Frisk brand. Okay, I've never tried acrylic markers, very interesting. We have 12 colors to paint with. A black pen for some details, 0.9 thickness, a pencil, and a sweet treat as a gift. Okay, let's open the markers box and see some tips in the zine on how to use them. From what I'm reading, this is a new product from the Frisk brand. Here are some tips for using these markers, and we need to activate these markers to get them started. Shake them to mix up the paint, then take the lid off and pump the nib down a few times and wait a couple of seconds for the paint to saturate the nib. I will show next how it works. Okay, let's do the color test for each marker. They are water-based, but I want to use a brush in this case. As you can see, each marker comes with a little instruction on how to use it, but as I mentioned earlier, just shake it to get the ink down to the tip and then pump the nib down a few times on the paper. The colors are highly pigmented and you can make various strokes. One advice is to try not to go over the same area too much because of the paper. Although the paper we are using here adds no issues, if you use thinner paper it might tear. now let's move on to the drawing challenge. Since we are almost at Halloween, I will draw a quick sketch of haunted house with some little ghosts. A tip I forgot to mention for using these markers is to do the black outline at the end, because it's acrylic, it will cover those lines. So I had to redo a bit of the initial outline I made with the black pen, but no problem, you might even skip the outline, it's up to your personal style. And here's the final result. The texture of these markers is very interesting and the color is quite pigmented. I've never tried it this way before. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more updates. Have a spooky Halloween day. Stay safe. Bye!